Welcome back to my channel. I'm Terri Conrad with Bloom True, and this is Mindful Mondays, where we explore abstract watercolor to soothe our nervous system and relieve anxiety. In today's abstract watercolor session, we're going to be painting on a sheet of 9 by 12 100% watercolor paper. And as you can see, this finished piece that I've done, I've taped mine off in a grid format in 4 equal parts so that you will have 4 individual abstract paintings when you're finished with your painting session. You can use these in your mixed media art journaling. You can frame them. You can even give them as a gift or a card to someone that you care about. I'm using an inexpensive set of watercolors made by Graby, and I'll have that link for you down below. Let's begin. You can see that I've begun to lay down some water saturated peachy orange colors from this set. I love these. They're so soft and soothing and comforting for me. And now I'm coming in and mixing a little bit more color and adding water as I do that. I'm using a round brush, and this is a pretty full-size brush. And of course, as always, I'll add that information down below with a link. And here you can see I'm pouring some of that water saturated pigment onto my watercolor. And it's fine if these colors blend and puddle together. That's what will add some interest and help move your eye around on your painting. And I'm going to go ahead and quiet my voice as I usually do in these paintings. I'll play some soft, soothing music and let you paint along with me. And you can do as I do, emulate what I'm painting, or, of course, always I encourage you to use your own creative expression. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks.